Freshmen, my name is Ms. Trin, and I will now be going over hole inspection standards. The purpose of this module is to be knowledgeable of all standards and to maintain hygiene and attention to detail. Your hole will always be inspection ready from 0830 to 1700 Mondays through Fridays. You can find the layout of this hole in the Inspector General's Standard Operating Procedure. You will not be removing or rearranging any furnishings. Starting from the entrance of the hole, your sink will be sky-free, your faucet will be smudge-free, and any horizontal surface will remain dust-free. It is not your privilege to store any items on this counter. However, you are allowed 3 items on this wooden shelf, so as long as you are unified with your buddies. The mirror will remain dust and smudge-free. The shelves inside are inspectable and therefore required to be neat. You will also hang a white hand towel and a washcloth, centered and folded halfway hot dog style with the creases facing the window. All cabinets and drawers are not inspectable and will remain closed. Moving on to the area behind the door. On the outermost hook, you will place your white towel on top of the bathrobe. Your bathrobe will be tied as such. On the inner hook, you will hang your barracks bag and it will be fastened through all of the holes as such. For the closet, you will not be storing any items on the top of the closet. The mirror will remain smudge and dust free. You are allowed to hang a fully wired and a fully fastened Bravo top with the opening of the hanger facing the window. On the left side, you will hang your Camelback with the vertical fasteners fully fastened. For the inside of the closet, it is not your privilege to store any items on the top shelf. All clothing hung will be fully fastened and equally spaced. The hangers will be facing inwards and the fasteners facing the door. Your uniform will be organized from heaviest to lightest, and the order of your uniform goes as follows. Your Alpha, your black jacket, your Army combat uniform with the blouse and pants hung on the same hanger, your Winter Bravo shirt, your Poplin, your Class Bravo summer shirt, your pink pants. Pants will be hung so that the legs are facing the door and the vertical fastener facing inwards. Next, your pink skirt. The vertical fastener will also be facing inward. Next, your Class Bravo summer pants. And finally, your Class Bravo summer skirt. Your shoes will be flush to the edge with the heels facing outwards, and it is also organized like your clothing from heaviest to lightest, with your combat boots, your low quarters, then your pumps. For males, you will not have pumps, so your low quarters will be pushed all the way to the right. All shoes should have laces tucked in as well. For the bottom portion, you'll have space to store any civilian clothing. Same rule follows for your shoes. They will be flush to the edge with the heels facing outwards. Your clothing will also be spaced equally, and your hangers should match your buddies so that the material and the color are the same. For the innermost hook, you will place your reflective belt so that the male part is facing upwards and the belt buckle is facing inwards. Below that, your fish belt will be placed so that the fish tab is facing upwards and the belt buckle is facing the exit of the closet. For the middle hook, you will place your tie so that it is folded in half with the front facing out. Below that, females, you will have a tie tab and the tie ends should be facing downwards. The outermost hook will hold your fish biter, and the overlays should be facing upwards. For the desk area, you will place your backpack on the chair so that it is fully fastened and the chair is on its lowest setting. Beneath the desk, you will place a trash bin so that it is on the side closest to the window. The shelf below can be used for electrical strips or cords. Moving up, you are allowed only 3 items on your desk and they must be neatly organized. However, if you are studying or actively using the desk, you are allowed more than 3 items. The corkboard is only for academic items. The shelves is for books only, and they must be aligned to the edge in height descending order. Above the shelves, you will place your campaign cover, your service cover, and your Class Charlie cover. For the rack, it will remain wrinkle and dust free. Below, the drawers will be flush to the edge, and the footlocker will be aligned with the drawers. You are not allowed to place any items under your rack except for a mop and a broom. It is not your privilege to use these 2 shelves. However, you may store any items above the shelf in height descending order. Moving on to the windows. During inspection, they will be open and the blinds will be horizontal. You will not change the window limiters and the window will always be locked. The shelf will not be used. The floor will be swept and kept dust and dirt free at all times, along with any horizontal surface.